guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, so I'm very excited. That's Amari saying welcome back to my channel, kids. But anyways, he got a bicycle, so I'm going to show you like his first time riding and all of that. We've been having a blast. Yes, keep on pedaling. Left foot now, left foot. Right, go on, keep on. Alright, push your right foot down, forward. Right foot, Jake on. Yep, go. Yay, you're going. Keep on pedaling. Keep going forward. Pedal, baby. Good, good. Keep on going. Alright, stop, stop, stop. Left foot down. Left foot, press on your left foot. Go on, keep on pressing your left foot and go on. Go, go. Go on, keep on pedaling and go. Alright, wait, stop. Go forward. Look where you're going and push yourself forward. Come on. You can do it. See? Go. Just keep pedaling. Keep pedaling. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. Go. Yes, pedal. Come on. You can do it. Pedal forward, Jake on. Go on. Pedal. Go on. See, you can do it. Right foot down. Right foot down. Right foot. Just keep pedaling, just keep pedaling, just keep pedaling. You can do it. Come on. Whoa! Yep, you just pick yourself up and let's go again.
Okay, let's do it again.
Just keep pedaling, just keep pedaling. Come on. Alright, try going forward now. Yes, you can. Think about it. Remember what I said? Push yourself off and let's go. 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 You can do it. Yes. Good job. Yay. Woo! Just keep pedaling. Come on. You can do it. Come on. Push yourself forward and let's go. You want to see it? Ready? Let's go. Just keep pedaling. Just keep pedaling. Yes, remember this? Yes, you can do it. Look before you. Look where you're going. Come on. Just keep pedaling. Just keep pedaling. Very good. Woo! You see, all your hard work paid off, right? Yeah.
You want to do more hard work?
Thank you so much for...
Watch out!
Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you liked today's video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And leave a comment down below. See you next time.
See